Bitcoin is about to create its next move, while at the same time in the imminent short term we are creating a CME gap, and one of the most important weekly closes is about to happen tonight. So get ready for that. The larger trend is still towards the upside and we are finally seeing liquidity coming back in crypto. So we need to be talking about this and more because the Dogecoin chart is well finally breaking out towards the upside. But without any further ado, let's first of all, as always, have a look in towards the imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that finally we are creating some kind of consolidation pattern. Ever since we were creating this parabolic uptrend, we have been saying, all right, we want to be waiting until some kind of consolidation pattern were to appear. And right now, finally, we are creating this symmetrical triangle. This support level and this resistance level is right now squeezing us inside some kind of a pattern, and eventually we will need to break out and make a decision if we are either going to be changing our trend direction towards the downside or if we are going to be continuing this massive trend towards the upside and create that last push towards the upside. And if we have a look in towards this chart, well, we are probably creating some kind of a CME gap because currently the Bitcoin price is trading at about $500 below its CME close price, which in this case probably we are going to be creating that CME gap. And previously around, Bitcoin has acted very strong during the weekends. We have been creating these CME gaps and then just pushed even higher towards the upside. So in this case, if we are going to be creating some kind of a CME gap, yes, I do expect we are going to be filling it anytime soon, beginning next week. But very importantly, if we are going to be filling that CME gap above us, well, then we are also going to be breaking out our symmetrical triangle towards the upside. So in my opinion, already the imminent short term is rather actually looking very bullish. But then actually having a look into what's the longer term, this is where it gets interesting, because on the 2-week time frame, well, we are finally flipping bullish with our EMA ribbons. So definitely at this moment, you cannot deny the fact that we are not in a bull market. We are most definitely in a bull market right now, given this signal as well. We are finally closing our weekly candle in just a matter of a few hours above this massive resistance level. And I have been saying, if we can be closing above this resistance level, well, the 42k level is going to be next. Well, probably do keep in mind, we are not going to be reaching this level in a matter of minutes or a matter of hours. No, this can be taking multiple weeks, but for sure the 36.5k or 36k level is right now going to be acting as support. So if we are going to be coming back down towards this level, do expect we can find some support and some kind of a bounce. So do keep that in mind. A very bullish weekly close is coming. We have closed 1, 2, 3 and 4 green candles in a row right now for Bitcoin. But because this weekly candle close is once again a very bullish one, yes, we can be seeing another weekly candle in the green, but eventually do keep in mind we will need to see some kind of a correction, of course. But do keep in mind momentum is right now towards the upside, and we have been having a look in towards these two charts. History is right now repeating, and actually while history doesn't tend to repeat, it's certainly rhymes. So we can definitely see more momentum towards the upside. I do not expect we are going to be seeing such parabolic runs towards the upside yet, but definitely we can see some more momentum towards the upside. As these two bullish breakouts, we have not yet reached our targets. Now it will take multiple months for us to actually reach our target. We will see some kind of corrections on our way up, but do keep in mind once again, the momentum is towards the upside. Certainly another very bullish development that we can right now be seeing is that once again, finally, liquidity is once again flowing in towards Bitcoin and crypto in general. We can be seeing on this chart right here that the stablecoin market cap is finally increasing again. It has been decreasing for this whole year pretty much, but right now finally liquidity is coming back. Tether is being printed like crazy, so this is a very good signal. Now, of course, on the major trend, on the macro trend, this is still definitely a very small development. But of course, yeah, this is very bullish for the larger trend. If we can keep this up, well, definitely we can see a shift in trend, and we can once again see liquidity flowing back in towards crypto. Definitely, because all of these charts are looking very good, I want to be riding the momentum towards the upside as long as possible. I definitely do want to trade this breakout towards the upside and potentially also even towards the downside, because if we are going to be breaking towards the downside, it would mean we are going to be breaking our parabolic trend. Now, another move towards the upside would mean that we are going to be seeing probably our last push back towards the upside, and that one is going to be exponential. Lastly, well, Dogecoin is finally breaking out towards the upside. I do think Dogecoin is a pretty good investment right here. It tends to go pretty parabolic towards the upside whenever it finally runs in that bull market stage. So definitely Dogecoin is one of the few coins that I am actually accumulating. Of course, the Bitcoin dominance is looking quite bullish in my opinion. I do think Bitcoin is a superior asset, but of course there are a few altcoins out there that will outshine Bitcoin, and in my opinion Dogecoin in the long run is going to be one of the few altcoins. I'm talking about this many times in detail on my channel, so yeah, if you do want to learn more about that, have a look towards previous videos of mine. But with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.